In this video, we will explore the drag polars calculation module, featured by the pre-designed module of JPAD Modeller. Before calculating the set of sizing point limitations, a preliminary estimation of the zero lift drag coefficient of the aircraft is carried out. This involves the following steps. Estimation of the overall aircraft wetted area, based on current component dimensions. Calculation of the friction coefficient in fully turbulent conditions, based on cruise Reynolds number and cruise Mach number. Calculation of the zero lift drag coefficient, as a function of the previously calculated values, of friction coefficient, overall aircraft wetted area, and current wing area. At this point, we can use the drag coefficient increments, the maximum lift coefficient, and the Oswald factors reported in the sizing plot data tab. And finally, the complete set of drag polar curves is calculated and plotted, for the following conditions. Climb, cruise, takeoff with landing gears retracted, takeoff with extended landing gears, landing with landing gears retracted, and landing with extended landing gears. Now we can go to the right-hand side of the UI, and select the Drag Polars tab, to see the estimated drag polars. The plot can be easily exported, by a right click of the mouse, and by selecting the desired file format. Sometimes it comes handy to have all the info stored in one place. The log window at the bottom of this tab provides a complete overview on the data related to the generation of all drag polars. If you are happy with the estimated drag polars, you can choose to export them one by one, as a collection of columns, CDCL, in CSV text files.